friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make KERI dal. For this we need 1 cup of tuar dal, 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, little bit of green dhania, 1 raw mango, curry leaves, salt, rye, jeera and turmeric powder. Now take a cup of tuar dal and soak it before half an hour. Here I have soaked the dal and it is ready. I am going to transfer this into a cooker. After transferring it, I am going to add 2 chopped tomatoes, and 2 chopped green chilies and few curry leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now I am going to add 2.5 glass of water. After adding 2.5 glass of water, I am going to close the lid of cooker and let the dal boil. Now take the raw mango, peel off the skin and chop it into small cubes. You can even chop into thin slices. Add this raw mango into a cooker. Now I am going to add half glass of water to this raw mango. And now I am going to keep the cooker on stove and let it boil. Now our dal is ready. Now I am going to blend dal till it becomes soft. Now raw mango is boiled and take it in a bowl and smash it till it becomes a soft paste of pulp. Now I am going to add this pulp to dal. Add salt as per the taste. Few leaves of green dhania. Now I am going to blend it again so that the raw mango mixes up well in the dal. Now for seasoning, I am going to take 3 teaspoons of oil and let the oil heated up. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of jeera, half teaspoon of rye and few leaves of curry leaves and let it splutter. After spluttering, I am going to add the seasoning to this dal. After seasoning the dal, keep the dal on the stove for some time. When dal starts boiling, I am going to turn off the stove. Now our delicious KERI dal is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.